everyone, thanks for joining me today on Pilates with Amanda's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing desk Pilates. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. We are going to be moving in our chairs. I'm sure your week has been long or it has just started. Whatever it is, we just need to move our bodies from time to time. And if you have no time to do it, sometimes the best place you can do it is in your chair. So let's get started. We are going to be sitting in our chairs and we're just going to try and open up our chest. So we're just going to pull our shoulders down and back, press our hands into our knees and really open our chest. And then we're going to round our spines and kind of press our backs into the back of our chair. And then we're going to open our chest, let our necks open. If you feel more comfortable, scoop back into your chair. And then you can really press everything open with your armrests. And then you're going to round your back and kind of reach your fingers forward, keep your heels on the mat, and then sit up tall and then press your chest open into the armrest and then press your spine into the chair, reaching everything forward and drawing the shoulder blades down the back, opening the chest, kind of pressing our hands in and our shoulders down and our bodies away, and then rounding and reaching, opening and rounding. Two more like this, pressing our hands into the armrests. Shoulders are down, neck is long, and exhale, reaching our fingertips away, keeping our heels grounded on the mat and rolling our spine. From this position, we're going to do some roll-ups. So you're going to roll your spine down, let your head go, let everything go. Put your head, let it shake it no, shake it yes. It's okay if people think you're weird at the office. They're the ones that are weird. They're not moving. Start a trend. Do something new. Be the first one to show everyone how important it is to move throughout your day. And if they look at you funny, they're the ones that are funny. Reach your fingers down on the mat and then roll our spine up vertebrae by vertebrae till you're sitting up super tall. And again, so you're exhaling, you're deepening your navel as you roll your spine down onto the floor and then dragging your fingers up your body, sitting up tall, finding your neutral spine. Again, you're going to roll it down. Exhale, pull the navel in, feel the ground if you can. If you can't, that's okay too. You'll get there. Your spine and body will become more flexible as you do this. And the last time, you're going to roll it back down, really just trying to find a stretch as best as you can, and then rolling your spine back up. We're going to extend our legs. So if you're sitting up in your chair and you want to sit up super tall, you can sit kind of towards the edge. If that's uncomfortable for you, you can sit back and you're going to extend your leg and lower it down. So you're reaching out with the leg. And when you do this, flex your foot and really try and engage the muscles of your quad. It's very controlled. So you're reaching out, really reach through your heel and do it with the other side. Sitting up with a nice tall posture. I feel my quads engaging and you're going to reach that leg long and long. So we're bending and exhaling on the reach. Flexing our toes. 3 more. 2. Reaching. And 1 more. You're going to take your arms in front of you, sitting just like this, and we're going to make little circles. Don't let the circles go bigger than the height of the chair. Just keep them right in front of your shoulders. And then open them out to the side. Just getting that upper body moving and then bringing them forward. And bringing them back out to the side, keeping the navel deep and the shoulders down. And again, exhaling. And again, opening it out to the side. Make those circles bigger, getting bigger. Yeah, you're moving at your desk. You're moving your arms, you're exercising, and you're at work. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty nice. So let's keep moving. My arms are hurting. Are yours? Now let's reverse it. So they're going to be little circles. And they're coming into the center. Shoulders are down, neck is long. And those circles are opening back out. And inhale. And exhale. My arms are burning, and now we make those circles bigger, bigger circles. Whew. Yes, feel the burn in your shoulders. Feel the burn all the way through your arms. You can do this. Oh, only a few more. One more. Oh, shake it out. Shake it, shake it. Give your shoulders a wiggle. Let them move up. Let your body just kind of, one arm goes up, the other arm goes up. The shoulders, we're doing shoulder shrugs, one shoulder at a time, with our hips as well. And let's reverse it. So we're shaking those shoulders. We're kind of like, it's like we're almost doing the crawl, but with our shoulders. Good. Okay, now time for some neck stretches. Let your head go to the right. Let your jaw go. And try and pull. Let that side of your body that is getting the stretch, let that shoulder drop. Feel the stretch. And then let your head come forward. And let it go to the left. Make sure that shoulder is down. Jaw's heavy. And then let your head go back only a little bit. And again, heavy, heavy shoulder, feeling the stretch. We're opening up our collarbone, opening up our neck muscles, and reverse the circle. So now we're reaching, getting that nice stretch on the left side, slightly back. Don't go too far back. Just make sure that your head is still kind of up. And you're now stretching the right. Inhale, heavy jaw. And very, very nice. From here, we're now going to sit at the edge of our chair, and we're going to put our hands behind our head, and we're going to open our chest, and then side bend and sit up. So we open the chest, bring it back to neutral, and side bend, keeping our sit bones down. We open, bring it back to neutral, side bend. If you can touch the shoulder rest, please go for it. If not, if it's too much, just do what you can. And sitting up tall, opening, back to neutral, and reaching for the side. Make sure your neck is long. You can actually pull on the back of your skull. And if you pull on that, it will actually keep your neck in good traction. So pulling on that and then reaching back to center. Open the chest, back to neutral, and reach. Hand up, one more. Open, center, and reach. Good. Now you're going to take this shape and you're going to twist. Back to center. And we twist. Only twist as much as you feel capable of rotating and keeping your sit bones pointing forward. Sorry, your hip bones, not your sit bones. And so you might not get very far. You might not have much rotation. One side might be less than the other. Do what feels good and feasible for you. Rotating. Inhale through your nose. Exhale back to center. Exhale back to center. Once more each side. And last one. Very good. Good. Moving on. You're going to do some spine twists. So you're going to bring one arm back, one arm forward, looking, and then bringing it center and rotating. So it's a different kind of rotation. It's moving of the arms in a different way. So move our bodies in all variations while we're on the chair. One more each side. Whew. Good. Bring our hands down to our legs. We are now going to stand. So standing in front of your chair in the back, grab onto your chair, and you're going to just kind of press it away. Find that opening in the back of your shoulders, and then you're going to roll your chair up. Whoop. And again, so you're rolling down and pressing your chair away. Okay, my chair isn't cooperating. Hopefully yours is, and you're going to press it away. Find that opening in your chest. Keep your feet parallel, and then pull it in towards your body. And then standing up tall. Again, you're reaching the chair away. Head goes, press it away. This feels amazing. And then pulling it back in, tucking the pelvis under, and then rolling your chair back up. 2 more, reaching your head out. Ooh, I just cracked. And exhale, pulling it back in. Whoop. Come on, chair. There we go. 1 more like this, pressing it out. And exhale. Pulling it back in and engaging the glutes as we do this. From here, you're going to stay in that kind of flat position. Reach a leg out and pulse it up. Hold on. Moving forward. Okay. Pulse it up and up. Long arms. Abs are in. 3, 4 pointed toes. 5. Hips are square. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower it down. Reach the other leg back and pulse it up. 2. Keep them square. 3. Balance is key. 4, 5. I feel this. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bend it in. Reach it out. 1. Bend it in. Reach it out. 2. This is super hard. Reach it in. Straighten the leg. Open the chest. 3. Reach. Long neck. 4. We can do this engaging all the muscles, feeling the balance, the moving chair. It's a lot. Okay, other side. Reach that leg back and bend it in. Open. 2. Exhale, pull it in and reach. Shoulders down. Exhale, bend it in. And 5. Reach. Square hips. Shoulders down. Long neck. 1 more. And beautiful. Now you plie and stand tall. Lower the body and stand tall. Keep your back straight. And it depends on how far away you are. You can bend your elbows if you need to. And you're going to squat and then draw those heels more together and lower your heels down. So you can lift the heels or keep them down. Squeeze your butt and bend and straighten for 8. And exhale, 7. Exhale, 6. And 5. 4. 3, squeezing. 2, long neck, long body. Spine is straight. 1 more. I'm shaking. And to finish it off, we're going to twist. Maybe you might crack your back. I don't know if you heard that, but mine sure did. Pressing your hand into the outside of your leg and then twisting. Shoulders are down, and again, you're going to twist. Try and let your shoulders pull down your back. Your neck is reaching towards that left shoulder. And then again, now you're reaching towards your right, pressing your hand into your right outer thigh, pressing your right hand down into the chair, back to center. 2 more. Rotate. Up. And center. 1 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let all the tension melt away. And there you have it. I hope that you feel like you can do the rest of your day. And now all you have to do is more desk Pilates. I'll see you next time.